Hi guys, so I'm going to show you all the assassin's books that I have in my house. So, first one what I have in Sexual Animals room is our baby assassin book. Okay, so that's our first assassin book. And you're probably wondering, why can't we put them with the other ones? I'm going to tell you right now. So let me just get the lid back on. So the reason is, these big ones, before I show you them, I'm going to give you an example. So I've just broke it a little bit, but do you see the head here? Do you see that? Pretend this is the little one, yeah? The big one would sting it in. Sting that thing in right there. So that's why we can't put it in with the other ones. And now we're going to show you the big ones. All ones up the glass. Oh, I think we might need to get them off here. Some leaves. Okay. So these are all teenagers except the two with the dots in the corner there. They're fully adults now. And all the others are like teenagers. So if we put the little one in here, these will kill him because we've had some in the past, and we put a small one in, and the big ones killed it. So I'm not going to make the same mistake, but when he gets bigger, he'll be able to join the big ones right here. If you're wondering, can these harm people as well? They can. So we can't hold these. And I don't know if they fly or not. You'll have to research that. If you know, tell us in the comments. So he just fell. So we're just going to put the wood back. Don't think we're just giving them this. We've got loads of wood here. But we've got this. We've got this piece. We've got this piece. We've got this. This. And we've got a nice big one. And as you see, we all have these little holes in. Look. All have little holes in. So they can go inside, lay eggs inside. The little babies. So we're going to start putting them in now. So we'll just go and slide this one in first. Get right in. Get this one in. I'll just make it a little bit bigger. Like that. Sometimes I like to go under. But we mostly like climbing on all of these. That there. And now it's time for the big one. That like here. Right there. And that. And then I'll just get some leaves in. These leaves to give them a little bit of protection. So we were showing you our assassin books today. So we'll just have to get this cover on here. Oh, this is quite hard to get on. Okay, we've got it on. Here's the lid, and And that's it for this video, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.